Oh, YouTube. I was wondering if any of you guys could help me with a problem that I've been having with my 3DS. I'm getting could not connect codes and stuff. This usually happens if I'm on this, and the only way I can get this to connect is if I am this close, and then when I hit connect test, it'll work. Usually. As you can see, it looks like the internet is coming on. I don't know, the camera's kind of bad. But see, it says connection test successful. And I am this close to my router. So, but once I step away, as you can see, I'll walk into my living room. I'll do the same test again. Oh, wait, that's the wrong one. More innovative. Oh, cool. Same one. And then I'll do my connection test. And that's how far the router is. It's just right over there. And then I get a connection failed. And then I get this error code 0031009 about how my access thing's not in range. It works with my phone. Internet works just fine. I'm not sure what the problem is. Sorry for the bad quality. I'm doing this on my phone. I tried looking up on Google and stuff, answers, but I can't find anything. And just the other day, I was trying to connect using the Brawl demo that just came out with my friends, and I couldn't even connect being side by side to them. And if I did, it was for a second, and then I would drop out of the game. So I'm thinking it has something to do with my receiver. So if anybody knows how to fix this problem, please let me know. Thanks. Bye.